Let's talk Google, your 8 opportunities you have with Google. This is part 2. Yesterday we talked about 2 simple things. One, Google Search Console and Google Business Profile. Today we're going to touch on 2 more. And listen, I think all of these are very important because Google is still the most visited website in the world, but I really like number 3 a lot. So pay attention to this one. Welcome, my real estate friends. I'm Tristan. This is your daily real estate where I jump in about 5-10 minutes every day to help you with your real estate business, all different angles. Please share this with anybody you think might need this. Let's get right into this. Number 3 is, like I said, kind of my favorite, and it's Gemini. This is your Google AI assistant. In fact, Google has leaned in a little stronger and said, yeah, this is your Google AI assistant or your assistant in general. I want you to start thinking about this in the same way. How can I use AI, specifically Gemini, to create better content? You know, some of the videos I've done in the recent past, in the last 2 weeks, you've seen how now Gemini is built into the back end of YouTube Trends to start creating for you, super easy, outlines for videos that people, that your audience on YouTube would watch, right? And we've used some of that. I'm like, that's a great idea, right? So this is Google's newest large language model, and it's trained, this is the cool part, it's trained on real-time web, like the internet, real time. And to me, I mean, what better training outside of that, except probably social media, and that's why Facebook jumped in, right? And that's why ChatGPT wants to jump in on social. But this stuff is training it real time, so you're getting amazing information. And I think this is where you have to start thinking along the lines of what I'm saying. Like, not only is it helping me build social media content, but it's helping me build actual content to give out to my clients. Like, what if I start building out actual step-by-step processes for sellers, for buyers? Or what if I have a really nice, these are the 5 steps you need to do this year if you want to buy a home, Mrs. Buyer. These are the 3 things you need to do as a seller in Malibu, Mr. Seller, right? Now, all of a sudden, when you're talking to people, you have a whole list of content that you can give away, right? Or you can use it. And by the way, all of these are the things I do. Yes, we have a library of content that we give our clients, right? First-time buyers, regular buyers, move-up buyers, move-down buyers, sellers, all forms of sellers, investors, everything. You have no excuse now. And we use it for video too, creating scripts for short videos. I use it for short videos primarily because it's much easier for me to do that. These longer videos, this is all from pure experience or things that I've been testing out that are working. And so I would say primarily short videos are the best way to capitalize on this. Just have, like I do, have Gemini pull out the top real estate news in your area and have it create a transcript that you can read. And now you have content, right? This is how you have to start thinking. But Gemini, go play with it, please. This is not even a tutorial. It's just me telling you because there's so much to it. There's VO3 that's built into it with video that you can do like these small video clips. Amazing. You could use gems inside of Gemini, which is in essence like AI agents, right? It's just, there's so much beautiful stuff in there. Number 4, another one of my favorites. Okay, this one's probably, if Gemini is my almost top favorite, I would say this one is right under that. Not number 1. I would say it's probably this one's number 3. It's Google Ads. And I mean, it's easy to understand Google Ads. You can do this right now as you're listening to this. You could go on Google. You can just go on Google and type in homes for sale in your city, whatever city it is, homes for sale in Los Angeles. And I can guarantee one of your searches that you do, whether it's Los Angeles or I'm going to do Thousand Oaks or Westlake Village, you're going to have one of your competitors pop up at the top, meaning Zillow, Realtor.com, Redfin, Homes.com, a builder. Every one of these companies is using Google Ads to break in and attract leads. In fact, we're talking to a builder right now, a builder in the northeastern state, where we're saying, hey, this is how you do it. And they want to hire us, our team, to build out these ads on Google to drive traffic to their website, because this works. You just have to make sure that whatever you build here or whatever company you go with has a good funnel to capture these leads, so that when you call them, they're further down the funnel, meaning they're more ready to transact. They're not just looking, even though you're going to get a bunch that are just looking. The idea, though, is find the keywords that are local to you that seem to have the highest conversion rate. What are they? And I'm not going to know that answer for you. I can tell you the number one search term in the whole United States, and that's homes for sale in, right? If I'm looking for homes for sale in, homes for sale in, right? It's probably not the one you want to go for, because it's heavily competed for by Zillow, Realtor.com, and everybody else. So start thinking along the lines is, what company can I use to create Google ads for me? And there are a lot out there. We use Ylopo, we use Lofty. It's already built into Lofty. They do a good job as well. And then I have Trenton on my team, our director of tech. He runs part of our Google ads as well. The point is, make sure that you are using it in some areas, either to attract buyers or attract sellers. If Google is the number one most visited website in the world, then hopefully you're playing this game as well. Or at least you're putting it in the future for yourself to work on this. Those are the two for today. And do me a favor, sign up for our newsletter that goes out every Friday. It's called Real Estate Prospecting, and that's what it is. It's all about real estate prospecting and how you should be doing business right now, what's changing, how you should adapt, how you should be growing in all of this. And if you found this useful, please share it with somebody who you think may need to listen to this one, or save it for later. Have an awesome day.